that question, how often do doors need to be replaced, I mean, it depends. Like if you have a very good solid door, not very often, like a Thermal King door. If you have a piece of crud or a cheap door, an expensive, poorly manufactured, poorly installed door, it needs to be replaced as soon as you can replace it. So I mean, there's a lot of variables and factors in there. Anybody that's watching this video is smart enough to know that it's a you pretty much get what you pay for type world. I use as an example. I have a brother that owned rental properties, and he would put the least expensive doors and things in it when he would buy a house and turn it around to make it a rental. And after doing that for a short while, he's like, God, these doors are crud. I'm constantly fixing them. I'm constantly out doing it. Then I have to replace it and da da da. And he's like, he stopped buying the cheap stuff and he started buying better products because his intent was to own those homes forever and make the income off of them. But he didn't want to go out and fool with the doors all the time. And so he went from buying the cheapest door and the cheapest hardware to buying better doors and better hardware so that he wouldn't have any issues with it because he didn't want to fool with it. And that's a guy that owns several homes. Then there's, yourself. If you just own the one home, we're all the same. I don't want to fool with the door. I want to put it in and not ever have to think about it again. And that's something that Thermal King has to offer because we put in a high-end product with a high-end hardware, with a high-end installation, with a warranty that covers both material and labor. And our goal at Thermal King is to put it in and never fool with it again either, because that's inexpensive for out servicing it. So our goal is to do it right from the start. But if you should have an issue, all you do is make a phone call to us and we come out and deal with it, which is, ideal. It's the hassle of having to make a call and be there, but nonetheless, we come out and fix it.